Devang Mehta then from Anand Rathi Securities joins in today on Street View to chat about the fundamentals of the market. Devang, hi, afternoon. What explains the weakness the market has been witnessing?
Afternoon, Aisha. In fact, we have seen nervous markets since last 4-5 days. It all started with Cyprus and probably the political turmoil that followed. It has spoiled the sentiment, and though Sensex might have corrected just by 6 to 7%, but the broader carnage has been seen in the mid caps, which have corrected by around 20%. The mid cap index and small cap index, which has corrected by 33%. I think this has, in fact, spoiled the sentiment, and the cascading effect of this has been witnessed by the so-called large cap and frontline stocks.
Devang, what's your sense? What is a bigger overhang for markets? The political uncertainty in New Delhi or the way things are unfolding in Europe? What do you think in the medium term, what could be a bigger overhang for our markets?
I think for our markets itself, the political uncertainty is in fact a big hangover. Plus, the biggest negative at this point is, I think, absence of any positive triggers for our market. I think the reform process was going on quite smoothly, but I think market is sensing something that, in fact, the government itself is now maybe in its saving mode, so might not do any aggressive sort of reform. So I think this hangover for still some time to come.
Devang, what are you making of the news flow around the auto space, and what's the call? Is it time to accumulate or get out of the auto space?
I think surely selectively that there is time. This is time for accumulation. A lot of negatives seem to be factored in at this price points. Probably we have seen one of the worst set of numbers on the sales front from Maruti as well as other companies in the last 1 or 2 months. So I think stocks like M&M, stocks like Maruti, Bajaj Auto in the two-wheelers should be accumulated. At least started to be accumulated at this price.
What about the banking space, Devang? Given the kind of news flow in as far as private banking stocks are concerned, are you reshuffling your portfolio and moving more in favor of PSU banking stocks?
I think there has to be a little bit of balance now. PSU PSU banking stocks, for sure, some of them are looking ridiculously attractive at this price points. I think what we are currently doing is we are advising our clients to be partially shifting from private banking stocks to PSU banking stocks. ICICI Bank among the large cap in private banks, as well as Karur Vysya Bank in the mid cap, are our top picks in the private banking space. We also like PNB as a large cap in the PSU banks, as well as Corporation Bank, which is currently available at a very good valuation in the PSU banking space.
What about the sale OFS, Devang, and the upcoming one, Coal India?
I think probably the sentiment at this point does not encourage anybody to buy into metal stocks. You really have to be adventurous to buy something in metal stocks, where overall the global sentiment as well as what is happening in India, I think SAIL OFS, to be precise, we are asking our clients to avoid, though we have a hold valuation at this point. We feel that a lot of expansion plans as well as seeing the past record wouldn't be on track. So I think it's best to avoid metal at this point because there are a lot of attractive sectors and stocks available in other universe as well.
Devang, before we let you go, where would you advise investors to bottom fish at these levels right now?
See, as I said, there will be two answers to it. In fact, if somebody wants to play strength, something in FMCG or pharma or IT would do the trick. But as you said, if somebody wants to bottom fish, I think stocks like LIC Housing Finance, stocks like M&M Financial, REC, the NBFC space typically would be where there would be a good upside whenever the market starts to recover.
Okay, Devang, good having you on the show. Thanks.